My name is Bill Dennis. I'm one of the founders of Quantum Data Technologies. I'm going to show you how to use this platform to predict a commodity like sugar. First thing that we do is we'll go to Start, Create Time Series Dataset Experiment, and type in the name of the experiment, in this case, sugar. Next, we're going to need to tell the software what it is that we want to predict. So let me search for a sugar symbol. There are 99 sugar symbols that we can choose from. In this case, I am going to look for SB. This is a symbol that's traded on the ICE exchange. That's what we're going to predict. The next thing I need to do is I need to tell the software what it is that I want to use to predict sugar. Let me search for everything with the word sugar. Here we have a lot of data from the CFTC commitment of traders, which is very predictive to sugar. We also have other sugar instruments, other sugar caught commitment of traders. We have other sugar data. We have some stocks from the NSE in India that are sugar manufacturers. That could be interesting to put into the model. Weather that we can use where sugar is growing. We also have sugar stocks globally, Brazil, the world, United States, Thailand, India. So using global data for sugar seems to be a very good idea. There's 138 data sets related to sugar. Let me select them all and put them into the model. I'm also going to look for some news. So let me go to commodity news, sugar. So we do have commodity news on sugar. That's going in the model as well. I also think that putting technical analysis indicators into sugar would be a good idea. 144 technical indicators that we can put into this model with the rest of the data that we chose. I'm going to select all of this. So now, in a few moments, I have selected 288 data sets to put into my sugar model. I'm going to hit next. And now I need to tell the machine learning platform how many days ahead do I want to predict sugar. 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, 80 days. You can put any value you want here. In this case, I'm going to use 50, and then I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to hit create. It's very easy to create machine learning models, in this case, for sugar. We're going to look at the results of what this platform has predicted for sugar. Once these models that I've created for sugar have had time to run, you get results like this and a dashboard like this. Here you can see sugar, and this line sticking out in front of price is the prediction, where in the future from now we're looking at some downside pressure still going into March, April for sugar, with accuracies of 89% to the upside and 69% to the downside. One of our customers is one of the largest sugar buyers in the world, and they use these analytics to hedge. So it would be very easy for us and you to build sugar and menthol models as well. I hope that quick overview answers some of your questions. Thank you very much for your time.